to my channel, The Lifestyle with Laura, and on today's video, I'll show you how I made this beautiful Easter centerpiece using shower mesh from Dollar Tree. Let's get started. These are the items that I'm using. I'll leave a list in the description box below. To make this Easter centerpiece, I'm going to start with my foam wreath and some of these bath meshes. And I got all of this from the Dollar Tree. So to start off with, I'll take one of my mesh, and they have this little string in here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little string in here. And I'm going to go ahead and cut that string. Take it loose. And I'm not sure if I'll be using 2 of these or if I'll be using 3, but I'll start off with 2 and see how many I actually need. Now I'm just going to pull this loose, and this is like 3 different shades of color in here. Now I did go ahead and cut my foam wreath so that I can put this on. So what I'm going to do is just catch it here and slide it on. So it has the white, it has the pink, and then it has a darker pink. So we'll just get all of this on. And it's more of this darker pink. That's okay. Okay, that's one mesh. And see, it's going to be a lot lighter right here where the white is. But let me go ahead and get another one. And I've already cut this one. And I am going to go ahead and use the third one. And you can get these in any color that you want. They come in different colors. You can tape this part of the wreath together. So I cut my ribbon at 13 inches, and I'm just going to find the center, scrunch it together, take my pipe cleaner, fold it over, let's get it centered, and give it a few twists. And I'll go ahead and cut an angle into my ribbon. Okay, and I already glued down a couple of the Easter eggs. So let me go ahead, I'm gonna put this ribbon right here. You just pick wherever you want it to go. I'm gonna take this under and give it a few twists just to secure it down. And I put this yellow here, I've actually hot glued it to the mesh. And I'm going to go ahead and take my rabbit. I got my bunny and put a pipe cleaner on it. And I'll just run this under. I want it to be like he's holding this egg. So let me see if I can get it like that. I just want to take this under the wreath and give it some twist just to secure it tightly. Just to hold our little bunny down in place. Okay, let me get him where it looks like he's holding the egg. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and just add some more ribbon and a few more of the eggs. The eggs that I got, they came in a pack of 4 from the Dollar Tree. So I'll go ahead and I'll add that and we'll see what it looks like. I cut up my bowls and added them, and I decided to go ahead and move my little bunny. I had him on the side over here like he was holding this yellow Easter egg. So I decided just to put him in the center. I was gonna put him on, I was gonna put it on this stand and let it sit up, but I decided just to leave it like this and to move the bunny to the center, and I think it came out great. And so all I need to do is to go ahead and add the rest of my eggs, and I did break the stick because I just didn't want that stick on there. So I'm going to go ahead and I left a little piece of the stick to help it glue down to the mesh. So let me go ahead and put some hot glue on my egg and on that little stick part. You can also use E6000 to attach the eggs to the mesh. And as you see, the yellow Easter egg, I left the stick a little bit longer because I wanted to look like the bunny was holding it. Here's how my Dollar Tree Easter mesh turned out. I think it turned out beautiful. And this is the back of it. This is super easy to make. Thank you for watching my channel, The Lifestyle with Laura. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future video. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.